with Houston Grass, and today we're talking about some of our products that we sell. In particular, in this video, I would like to talk about the Cyonara. The Cyonara is the, as you can see, it's the type of chemical that you screw on the end of your hose, and you turn the water on, you click this button, and you spray it out. You would use this chemical. The reason we really have it is for sod webworms. Some summers we have sod webworms, some we don't. Usually it's, I think, depending on how harsh of a winter we have. If we have a harsh winter, it kills them off pretty well. If we don't have a very harsh winter, they lay over in the thatch layer, and the way you know you have them generally is you go out in your yard in the mornings and it looks like somebody has taken a done a bad job weed eating your yard down. You'll have lush green grass. They look for the lushest, greenest grass that they can find. So if you're doing your job and taking care of your yard, that's where they go first, unfortunately. So you'll also see the little moths, the little brown moths flying up out of your grass. Those moths flutter around, and as they do, they drop eggs in the grass. And when those eggs hatch, a little worm is hatched, and those worms come out at night, and they come up and they eat the tops, the good tender stuff off of your grass. And that's how you know, like I said, it looks like somebody did a bad weed eater job to your yard. And you'll also see the other telltale sign is those the moths flying up out of it. It takes a couple of applications to do it. It is an excellent product also to kill chinch bugs if you see those appear in your yard in the summer. And the way you know you have chinch bugs is it generally looks like you didn't water very well, or a sprinkler head is not getting an area. The chinch bugs feed on drought-stressed grass, and so if you identify the chinch bugs, but usually you get down on the way I've done it, you get down on your hands and knees along the edges, and you'll see they look like little gnats crawling around in your grass. And this product also, the Cyonara, does a good job at killing those. It's a contact killer, so once you identify them, they're relatively easy to kill. But again, all of them, I would do 2 applications minimum if I had sod webworms or the chinch bugs. Again, you just attach this to the end of your hose, click this, and I like to walk backwards, so I'm not walking through the chemical, and just kind of wave it back and forth as you walk slowly backwards, and it does a fantastic job. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you.